baby. Appreciate y'all. And we appreciate the haunts and Jody's birthday.